So before we get into this vlog, I just want to say thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys have really embraced me here on YouTube, and I actually just looked at my YouTube snapshot, and there were 114,000 of you guys that tuned into my videos. So I literally just want to say thank you guys so much, and to everyone that has subscribed to me, everyone that has supported me. It makes me so excited for 2023. I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support and always watching. So I'm excited to continue this journey into 2023, and I hope I can bring you guys along with me.
Baby, I see you working hard, wanna let you know I'm proud, let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life will be.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, it is your girl Ambria, and it is the last vlog of 2021. Now, wow, I think we're like 6 days away from New Year's. I just started the vlog, man. It's Christmas Eve right now. It is currently 5:45, and I am just now about to wrap my gifts. And this is a very dangerous situation. So my two nieces are here and they are downstairs. I have a whole Christmas Eve evening planned for them. But right now I need to wrap their Christmas gifts, and I have to make sure they do not hear me because they are truly downstairs. I literally went to Target last night at 10:30 p.m. and I bought all of this stuff because I am just the queen of procrastination. I'm the queen of last minute shopping, and your girl did her Christmas shopping December 23rd at 10 o'clock p.m. There was nobody in Target, but I will also say that there was nothing left in that Target. The toy aisle ran through, the clothes ran through, the food ran through. But yeah, I'm about to sit here and wrap these gifts.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? Sure, Charlie Brown. I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
So I didn't get through very much gift wrapping at all. I think I only wrapped 3 gifts. No, 4. And then I got interrupted. My grandma had to end up FaceTiming me. We're gonna head downstairs and make the gingerbread houses for the kiddos. And then I need to eat something. When I tell y'all I'm literally starving, I don't think I've eaten. No, I know I haven't eaten literally anything all day today. And it's 6:39. And I've been up since 2 o'clock. I don't want to pull them out just yet because the second I pull them out, they're going to start going crazy. So I'm going to eat and then wait till Victoria gets here to bring out the supplies, because Christmas with toddlers. Wish me luck.
And then my brother called me. He was just like, "What are you doing today?" I was just like, "Oh, I'm heading to Amber's. We're about to make gingerbread houses." And he was just like, "Okay, I'll let you know if I come over." I was just like, "Okay."
Here or your house?
Huh?
Here or your house?
Here. I've never even made a gingerbread house.
Seriously?
They're so little, Amber. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited.
So you guys didn't do traditional Christmas New Year nothing?
No. The only tradition that we did when I first moved to Georgia was that we would go ice skating on Christmas Eve. But that only lasted 2 years, 3 years. But it's a gingerbread house.
I got these at CVS. They were all sold out in Target. So we got 2 of them. I got some Starburst candy canes. I got some hot chocolate bombs.
Ooh.
I got the Belgian hot chocolate bomb and a Hershey's cinnamon chocolate bomb.
Guys, this is my first time making a gingerbread house. Never made one. So let's see what it looks like. So we have all of these. And then we have to put little icing, right? And then we have candy, chocolate chips, right? Ooh.
We should eat it!
And then you can eat it at the end, yeah.
Okay, Kamaya.
Yeah, that's how you make it. So we're
These
just-
are the pieces.
These are the pieces, and then you use the icing for the glue, so we put it together, right? And then we decorate it.
houses didn't go as planned. We were doing so well until a storm took our house out. This is Victoria and Columbus. This is ours. Let us know who you think is better.
It's like 5 below 0 at that game.
So now we're about to make some Christmas cookies. I have an hour until I have to go to work, and I'm so sad that I have to leave this. But we're gonna make some Santa Claus cookies with chocolate chip and some sugar cookies, and then we have some cookie cutters that we're about to throw all in a bowl. I also remembered that I have a Polaroid camera, so I took some Polaroids. They came out so cute. This is my youngest niece. Oops. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Y'all, it's early. Oh my god. It's not that early. I just went to sleep so late. It's 9:12. I had to work last night. It's me and my bonnet. I had to work last night, and I came home and wrapped presents. And I work at the club, so I'm not gonna lie, I kind of was like a little lit last night. I wasn't lit, like I had like maybe like a couple shots. I probably slept for like 3 hours. So we're gonna go downstairs and open presents. Clearly slept in my makeup, but I will say she looks good. Let me take off my bonnet. My hair smells like smoke. I couldn't find any Christmas like pajamas or like Christmas sets or anything because I waited too long. So I had these green track pants. So this is the Christmas Day fit. Green sweatpants. Makeup from yesterday. She's alive. Literally smells like smoke, hookah, and Casamigos. Like, Merry Christmas. Good morning.
Hey, look.
What? You like your bicycles?
Santa brought us.
Hey vlog, Merry Christmas. It's 2022. I still have Christmas.
Okay, so last night we never got to make our hot chocolate bomb. First of all, before I do the hot chocolate, look at these super cute Polaroids I was able to take. But I ended up taking a bunch of them. And it's so funny because this was my Christmas present last year, was my Polaroid, and I always use it on like special occasions. And I'm just so happy I have these. Like, I'm just so thankful that I have Victoria, my family, everybody's here. I'm about to make us some hot chocolate. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my famous hot chocolate. So you just get some regular milk. Victoria got me whole milk because I was out. So it's very simple. It's just milk. And the key is to boil the milk. I like to take cinnamon, and then I like to take vanilla. You just pour to your liking. So it looks like this. I might have put a little too much cinnamon in it. Just kind of mix it together.
Hershey's.
I've actually never done this before, so I'm really excited.
So what's this?
Milk.
Oh.
The cinnamon. Okay. Ready? So here we go. And we let it melt.
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
This is what you do. 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 Be the one with a good relationship with you.
We're at Hot Chef. I am in a little bit of a dilemma. It's cash only, and I literally left all of my money at home. So my dinner tonight, my drinks are on Victoria.
It's your Atlanta fashion. Any holiday you celebrate, you gotta go out to the club.
Like always. Every holiday, we manage to come out to the club. But honestly, every restaurant in Atlanta is packed right now. And Victoria was talking to some of the servers. The girls have been here since 2 o'clock. Their system went down. And the city of Atlanta is flooding right now. Crazy. We're also very dressed down. We don't ever come to Costco without being dressed up. And we're not dressed up right now. So thank God I put some makeup on. Huh? I literally have on this hat, this kilo jacket. Very simple outfit. Crazy. I'm like an espresso martini, she's gonna hurt my stomach. Medium rare?
Thank you.
Medium what? You said medium So I managed to get a porn-star martini. It's my first time having it. Victoria got an Aperol Spritz. Cheers. Looks so good. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Boy, we had a time last night. Boy, we had a time last night.
Baby, I see you working hard. Wanna let you know I'm proud. Let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you. My life will be